Hello, do you know Google AI Studio? Maybe yes or maybe not. But today I will talk about a feature of Google AI Studio. Trust me, it will blow your mind. Let's begin with opening a browser. Okay, search Google AI Studio, then click the website. Okay, uh, as I have already signed in my website, so if you open this website for first time in your computer, you definitely will find it little bit different, but don't worry, you need to just sign in and everything looks like this. Okay, here if you overwhelmed by seeing this website, don't worry, just click stream real time. Today we will just talk about this option. Okay, here are three options: talk to Gemini, show Gemini, and share your screen. This option is very interesting. First of all, here I'm clicking the share screen option. Then we can choose which screen we want to share. I'm sharing my whole screen and share. Okay, after sharing, you maybe need to allowing the camera and microphone option. For now, for tutorial purpose, I am switched off this option, which is microphone option. And if I switched on this option, then I can interact with Gemini and I can talk with Gemini actually. And now Gemini is watching what I'm doing now. So the screen is visible to Gemini. Okay, let's interact with Gemini by switching on this microphone. Hello, Gemini.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Okay.
Is there anything you'd like to do with it or any questions you have about it?
Yes, I have a question. I have just opened the Excel, and I need to goal seek option, but I don't know where this option is.
Okay, you're in Excel and need to use the goal seek option, but you're not sure where it is.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, the goal seek option is located under the data tab. Then in the forecast group, click what if analysis, then click goal seek. Would you like me to repeat that, or should we go over how to use goal seek?
You just have watched the tutorial how actually this AI worked. You can see that I couldn't find the goal seek option in my Excel, but I have stuck. But at the same time, I can get my solution by using this AI. So this is written demonstration. How can you use this? But you can utilize it in many different ways. I can share my thinking about this AI. Suppose I'm learning a new tool or software or website, anything, and I I have just stuck in a situation. I need help for someone or anybody who is professional or who know this solution. So at the time, I can share my screen with Gemini and ask him, and maybe, or I think for sure, we'll get a solution. And you can get it also. Thank you for watching. Ta-da.